Hey YouTube, how we doing today? Well, we got something pretty cool from Kershaw. I know we don't give them as much love as I should, but today we're going to take a look at one. I wonder which one. Can you figure out which one? I'm sure you've got it. But hey, stay tuned after we roll that intro, and we're going to show you what was in there. Alright, YouTube, thanks so much for staying past that intro. Now, for those of you longtime viewers of the channel, and even you first-time viewer guys, right down here, you're going to see a little channel watermark popping up. Hover over that thing and just nail subscribe for me, guys. Get it out the way now. That way you're not going to miss out on any of the fun. Alright, so, with seasons turning, and, you know, shops putting out interesting and, how should we say, probably discontinued models, I decided to go wandering around Dick's Sporting Goods. I don't know, save the booing, save the hissing, whatever. Alright? And I saw this guy and I went, the Trace. Okay. It looked really, really interesting, just hanging on the peg. What caught me interested, right off the bat? I wonder if you can figure it out. What would have made me want to buy this one? Alright. With that being said, I love the handle, the way it has that groovy look to it. It's like one of those old bad 70s thing. Every time someone was going back in time, they'd be like, ooh, or time trip, whatever. And I love that blade finish. That just went, wow, I have to have that. I don't care who makes it. That's my first one with this tiger stripe style finish. Alright, with that fun being said, let's get into the stats like we usually do, okay? And, oh yeah, for you other guys, there's the back of the box. We're going to say that anyway here in a moment, so if you want to have all that, just hit pause and rewind a little bit and pause. Alright, it's got an overall length of 7.75 inches. The blade is 3.25 and the handle is 4.5. It's got a neat little weight to it of about 4.40 ounces. And the steel surprised me, honestly, for the price point. I thought it was going to be worse. It's 8CR 13 MOV. I'll be honest, when I paid for this thing, I was expecting 3CR or 5CR. But I'm okay with 8CR. Now, like I said, it's got that tiger stripe style finish. It does have, as you can see clearly, the fine edge, drop point style. And this is what I love. That speed safe open. Man, that just pops right out of there. God, I love that. It does have, I just saw the flipper open, plus the dual thumb studs. Now, as you can see kind of in there, it's got a steel liner in there. I bet it's stainless. I couldn't really find too much information on this guy, but that's alright. We do have the liner lock, and it has a single position pocket clip. That way you're carrying it basically right-hand style, tipped down. And the handle is just really simple glass-filled nylon. No big deal, right? Alright, now, this is what got me. No, wait, I'll get to that in a moment. Let's have some more of the fun parts first. Let's just see. The heavy-duty stock paper. Oh, okay. Not too bad. Alright, paracord. Oh, of course, I grabbed the smaller part. Alright, let's do this a little differently. Sorry, guys, hold on. Yeah, let's get a bigger piece. Pull test. Wow, no problem. Slice test, we're just going to do 2. No problem whatsoever. And our friend, Mr. Ratchet Strap. Right through. Okay, so I'm thinking to myself, as I usually do, let's go look on Amazon. Let's go look on Kershaw. Let's go look on Blade Headquarters. Can't be found. Wasn't found on any of them. So I'm betting I got a discontinued model. I paid $24.99 for this at Dick's Sporting Goods. So I think I got a pretty good blade for 25 bucks. I mean, it matches a great thing that I want for everyday carry. Low in price point, and it just looks pretty badass to me. I like it. I like it a lot. But, I want to know what you think out there. Seriously, I really do. Leave me your questions, comments, love, hatred, anger, everything that you want to throw at me down below in the comment section. I'm going to get back with you because I love engaging with you guys and having some fun with you. You make YouTube enjoyable. You really do. Now, with all that great stuff being said, if you're a first-time viewer of the channel, I want to thank you so much for choosing this video. I know it's a little different than you're probably used to out there, people with knife videos, but we do things a little bit differently here on the channel. Now, for you long-time viewers who haven't done it yet, and yeah, I'm talking to you, and you. Here's your second chance, guys. Right down there, you're going to see a channel logo popping up. Please go ahead and destroy that thing, man. It's going to bring you right to subscribe. After you beat up that subscribe button, kick its little brother's ass, the bell icon. Why? Because it's going to notify you, my incredible viewer, when my dumbass uploads an incredible video like this. Now, speaking of vidges, two are going to pop up over here. Those are going to be videos that YouTube is going to select from my catalog that they think are going to be a great viewing experience for you. But there we go, guys. My very quick tabletop look at the Kershaw Trace. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope you have a great day today.